Now we're going to look at the lat pull, working our back here. So we're going to work our lats and our back. As we're doing this, there's a few things to think about. One, if you're only doing the 6 machine quick whole body workout, that we want to grab this bar with an underhand grip so that we're adding in some biceps with it as well, since we're not hitting that individually at this time. We're also going to adjust this piece here so that when we get in, our legs can lock under it so that we can keep ourselves maintained even if we lean back a little bit. So I'm grabbing underhand. I'm going to sit down, lock my legs under this so that I can keep a straight back, tilt it back a little bit, and I want to pull the bar down to my sternum, actually touching the sternum and coming back up. Keeping your chest up high and your shoulders back as you're trying to push your chest up to the bar as much as you're trying to bring the bar down to your chest. Still breathing with every rep. I can actually change the angle that I'm at and how it hits my back. I can come up straighter. But one thing I want you to think about as you're doing this machine, and I'm going to lighten the weight, is trying not to sit down with it and pull it behind your back. You'll notice my neck is cranked forward, and if I'm lifting a lot of weight, this can put a lot of strain on your neck. So always try to think of pulling it to the front and really squeezing your elbows behind you to squeeze your lats.